Hi, I'm James Anderson, and I'm so thrilled to be partnering with Infinite Learning to bring you a series of workshops and online learning experiences to help you unlimit your students by developing a growth mindset. We're going to explore what Carol Dweck's been talking about when she's pointed out that implementation of growth mindsets has been far more difficult than we expected. We'll explain what we have to do to make sure our strategies are effective. At the heart of the workshop is the Mindset Continuum, this recognition that the development of a growth mindset is not a declaration, it's a journey to help our students become more growth-oriented as they move through this continuum. We're going to explain why growth mindset is not the growth, it's just the invitation to grow, as we combine Dweck's work with Art Costa and Bennett Kalik's work and Anders Ericsson's work to produce an agile learner, someone who not only understands they're capable of growth, but also understands how to go about achieving that growth. We're going to take you through the different ways you can approach this work and explain why the common catchphrases and the social media rules don't work. We're going to develop your growth mindset style guide and challenge teachers to change their mindsets. And ultimately, we're going to work on how we develop a growth mindset culture in your school. I'm so excited to be doing this work with Infinite Learning, and I look forward to seeing you in the workshops and the online seminars. I'll talk to you soon.